Arash, look here. Kitch. Look here, baby. Look here.
I can bring him to you or take you there.
It's good.
So I didn't want to because I was.
I get your mobile.
And I dozed off. But the next morning they made me walk early morning, and I walked up to the new center. And they themselves came to me and
Hi,
said,
Arash.
why don't you come and see your baby? Try to walk.
Naughty
That's
boy.
and I walked straight up to the neonatal center and they said very good because
What's
most
up?
women don't walk so fast.
Cry.
So even when they're inspiring you
What you
to see your
doing?
baby, still they don't walk because it's very painful.
What you doing, baby?
We're glad to see you walking. And they encouraged, and they took me to the neonatal center. I met Arash. They said
It's
you
hot.
can carry him.
Hold on.
Carry
One second.
him.